Hello Miri learners, welcome to this new video. I'm Miriam and today I'm going to explain you how to add S to the verbs, the S of the third singular person. Let's start. Remember, in the present simple, for he, she, it, we add an S to the verb. Let's see how we add this S. Normally, we add just an S. For example, if we have the verb eat, we are going to say he eats. If the verb ends in O, like go, we are going to add ES, goes. If it ends in CH, like watch, watches. If it ends in SH, was, washes. In X, fix, fixes. If it ends in double S, like pass, he passes. If it ends in Z, like buzz, buzzes. If it ends in consonant plus Y, we are going to quit. Why are we going to add IES? For example, study, studies. If it ends in vowel plus Y, we leave Y and we just add an S. For example, play, plays. And with the verb to have, this verb is irregular, so it is like this. He has. Now here, in this exercise, you have to conjugate these verbs in the present simple. The exercise continues here. I will give you the answers in the next video. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.